ABB SynRM motors, saving energy with IE5 efficiency. Electric motors use 1/3 of all the world's electricity, and the number of motors is set to double by 2040. There's a clear need for more efficient motors to save energy, cut power bills, and reduce emissions. Synchronous reluctance motors with variable speed drives can boost efficiency in many applications. A pipe manufacturer cut the energy use of an extruder by up to 15%. A pulp and paper mill reduced the energy consumption of a pump application by 25%, and a food processing company cut the energy use of a fan system by almost 50%. The key to SynRM efficiency is a special rotor design. It's based on well-established, proven technology. To understand what makes it so efficient, we need to look at rotor losses in induction motors. Induction motors have a squirrel cage rotor. Currents are induced in the bars. The end rings form a short circuit, allowing heavy currents to flow. This causes heating, and the losses can amount to 40% of the motor's overall losses. SynRM motors have no squirrel cage, no currents in the rotor, and no rotor losses. And they do not contain magnets or rare earth metals. They work on the basis of magnetic flux, created by the stator and controlled by a variable speed drive. The rotor tries to align itself relative to the stator flux. The drive starts to rotate the flux. The rotor is pulled around by the flux, and this creates torque. The drive monitors the rotor's position to ensure it stays synchronized. SynRM motors are always used with a variable speed drive. ABB drives provide an optimal match, with measured and verified performance. SynRM IE5 motors deliver ultra-premium efficiency. They are also highly efficient at partial loads. They go well beyond minimum energy performance standards. IE5 motors have 40% lower losses than IE3 motors, and the payback time is often less than 1 year. Lower losses means SynRM motors run cooler. This extends the lifetimes of vital components. A temperature reduction of 10 degrees means the winding lasts twice as long, and a reduction of 15 degrees doubles the lifetime of the bearing lubrication. SynRM motors have a low inertia rotor. They respond faster, enabling accurate torque and speed control. And they deliver full torque from zero speed, ideal for applications like extruders. ABB SynRM motors have the same mechanical construction as standard motors. They're a drop-in replacement for induction motors, and the power ratings go up to 315 kilowatts. Many options are available to tailor them for their application, including the ABB Ability Smart Sensor for remote condition monitoring. And if they need maintenance, the magnet-free rotor makes for easy servicing. ABB is a reliable partner. We can supply motors for any industrial application. Our broad experience covers projects of all sizes, and support is always available from our global sales and service network. Thousands of SynRM motors are already operating around the world, reducing energy use and cutting emissions. It's time to start saving money with SynRM IE5 motors.